Hello again everyone, it's Ivy, Belpo, and this time let's talk about the final magic of Lumibella Pinkish Glow. So it's the third powerhouse ingredient of the Lumibella Pinkish Glow Whitening Soap, and it is the lactic acid. So at first, when you hear lactic acid, medyo intimidating paminaw note, but don't worry. And basin familiar na pod ka ani sa mga skincare, but allow me to explain why it is so loved and why we choose this ingredient for our Lumibella Pinkish Glow Soap. So, ang lactic acid is actually a type of AHA or alpha hydroxy acid. Pero, unlike sa other acid, this acid is super gentle. So, lactic acid is one of the gentlest exfoliators for your skin. Gikan si lactic acid sa milk, and what it does to our skin is very beautiful. Lactic acid, it breaks down the dull, the dry layer of dead skin, and let your fresh new skin shine through. So kung naay mga patchy areas, texture, or feeling ni mo rough imong panit dira na area, lactic acid evens it out slowly without irritation. So perfect kaayo ni siya to those who has sensitive skin or gusto gradual and healthy glow. So again, this is the Lumibella Pinkish Glow Whitening Soap. Pero, here's what makes this soap very special because of lactic acid. It doesn't just exfoliate. Diba na-mention ako ganina that it will make our skin exfoliate in a gentle way because lactic acid is a type of an AHA, which is called the gentlest exfoliators of our skin. So, it doesn't just exfoliate, but it moisturizes too. Maka-moisture po niya sa atong skin. So, dual action siya. While removing dead skin cells when exfoliating, it also attracts water to your skin so you feel hydrated and soft, not dry and tight. Kung permi ka busy, bilar, puyat, or exposed sa init or aircon, your skin loses water that makes our skin dull easily. Muna siya ang cause. Pero with lactic acid, you're gently resetting your skin. Every wash becomes a small act of renewal. That's the heart behind Lumibella. A skincare that respects your skin and works quietly in the background. So, I already explained the three powerhouse ingredient of Belpo. So, basin o gusto na mo try. So, to those who are asking informations about the soap, please follow our Facebook page kay mas active mi dito. It's the Belpo-main.